Topic 9, Lesson 4, Dividing with Remainders. Well, so far you know how to estimate the answer to a division problem. In this lesson, you're going to learn what to do when you divide and something is left over. And that makes sense. When you share something equally with other people, is it sometimes possible that you have something left over? Exactly. Let's take a look. Our standard is find a whole number quotients and remainders with up to 4-digit dividends and 1-digit divisors using strategies based on place value, the properties of operations, and or the relationship between multiplication and division. And we can illustrate and explain the calculation by using equations and rectangular arrays and or area models. Our mathematical practices, we're going to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. We're going to construct a viable argument and critique the reasoning of others. Use appropriate tools strategically. Look for and make use of structure. And look for and express regularity in repeated reasoning. Our focus is, what does it mean when you divide and some are left over? Here's our example. Jason has 14 trophies and 4 shelves. He wants to put the same number of trophies on each shelf. How many trophies will be on each shelf, and are there any left over? So Jason has 14 trophies and there's 4 shelves. We want to put equally on each shelf the same number of trophies. So how many will each shelf have, and are there any left over? So we have our 14 trophies, 4 shelves. Here's shelf 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so we can just start putting them in. So let's go ahead and put in each trophy. We can do trophy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, that's all 14 trophies, except for we have a problem. We want to make sure that they are all shelves are equal, but these two right here kind of mess that up. So if we leave the ones here, the 3 here, the 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here, that would make it equal for each shelf, but these 2 right here we have left over. So we have really 3 on each shelf with 2 left over. And those are our remainders. So we have we're going to divide. That's the problem we're doing here. We start with 14 and we put them into 4 groups, and that's exactly what we did back here. We started with 14, we put them into the 4 groups or 4 shelves, and then we divided. So if you want, you can do it this way as well. 4 goes into 14 3 times, because 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract. We have 2 left over. And when you do have a remainder, you're going to put a little R right there for remainder. So the word is remainder. And in this case, we have 2 left over. So that's our answer. We have 3 goes on each shelf with remainder 2. And again, remainder means when you have those left over. And we can also check our work. We can always go backwards. So if our question is 14 divided by 4 equals 3, remainder 2, then we could also go backwards and go 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2 more, we get 14. So if we're going backwards, we can actually prove our answer and make sure that it's correct. Alright, now try some on your own. Good luck.